Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga.
Hello guys, welcome. This is Katia Valino. You guys can tell I have different kinds of juices here. Juices. So every 3 days I try to alternate my juice or juices. Couple of days ago I posted something about spinach drinks. So I am done with my greens. This week I'm talking about carrot, celery, ginger. When you look over here, I have 4 different carbs and I'm gonna tell you what they have in here. But before I get into telling you what they have in here, I want to talk to you guys about alcohol, drinking alcohol. So after watching this video, you might want to think twice before you consume alcohol, most especially wine. I figure out that whenever I drink wine, I am a social drinker. Like occasionally when I go to parties on the weekend, I drink maybe 1 or 2 glasses of wine. And you can attest to this because a lot of people that I've spoken to on one-to-one, they have the same view about alcohol. I find out that when I drink alcohol, I get severe headache, excruciating headache, alcohol. So last week when I went out with my friend, I drank alcohol. So when I got home, I said, you know what, I really need to read to figure out why am I having excruciating headache after alcohol. So few of my friends have the same thing to say about alcohol. So I figure out after my research that some of the grapes, the skin used in making alcohol, especially red wine, can contribute to headache. So here are other things that you must have to have in mind before consuming alcohol. Yes, being a Nigerian, being Igbo woman, they always say that Maya Mube wine or Balu die, meaning that when a woman is drunk or when a woman is a little tipsy, it is to the benefit of the husband, but it is not so. But anyways, let me get into telling you the things why you should stop drinking alcohol, especially red wine. There might be other people that does not get headache from drinking alcohol, from drinking red wine, but there are so many other things that can surface from drinking alcohol. So I already talked about that. In my research, I saw that was number 1, migraine. So the grape from the wine that is used to make the wine can contribute to migraine. Number 2 is weight gain. When you drink alcohol, wine, whatever, what alcohol does to your system is that it suppresses the vitamin B6 and B12 production. These B6 and B12, they are responsible for burning the fats, but when you keep consuming alcohol, it oppresses those B6 and B12 and they don't work no more, so it leads to excessive weight gain, especially in your belly. You have seen a whole lot of guys who drink so much and their stomach is just protruding out, especially men who drink beer. They have excessive big tummy because the B6 and B12 in the stomach is already oppressed. So that's number 2. The third one is breast cancer. Alcohol consumption is related to estrogen positive breast cancer in post-menstrual women. Drinking alcohol increases estrogen level and rises the rate of tumor progression. Yes, tumor progression. When I finish, I'll put a link at the bottom of this video so that you guys can also see exactly what I'm talking about. This is from GI Lab, I think. So alcohol can also lead to liver damage, because remember, your liver and your kidney is responsible for flushing out the toxins in your body. When you keep pounding the alcohol in your kidney and your liver, it stops the production. They get tired, they get weak, the liver and the kidney get weak, and they can't stop working at any time. So also, alcohol does not go well with prescription medication. So when you are taking prescription medication, stay away from alcohol. Any kind of alcohol will alter the effects of alcohol, alter the effects of your medication, and it will have an adverse effect. So that medication will not work. It will damage your kidney and your liver. Drink lots of water to flush out your toxins in your system and to help the liver and the kidney to work better. Now, let me tell you. So alcohol, another big thing about alcohol is that it really makes you age faster. The wrinkles will start to form on your face. The collagen production will also be depleted, and you cannot regenerate good cell to keep you looking younger. Guys, what I have here, this is my juice for 2-3 days. So I'm gonna start here. In this red one here, all of them have some stint of ginger. This is just pure carrot juice. So I made my carrot juice. This is carrot, and over here is carrot and celery. Stint of ginger, carrot and celery. In here is carrot and cucumber. I have in here. In here is pure ginger and carrot. And you will be asking me, how do I drink all of them? My entire household drinks this. Some people don't like the taste of ginger. Some people don't like me to mix it with every other thing. So they take pure carrot with celery. So it's all individual. And everybody knows their own cup, right? No pop comes into this house. No Coke, no Fanta, no juice. All the juice is made by mommy for the entire house. So this juice here is for this night and tomorrow morning. And tomorrow morning, when we take the last drink of the juice, I am going to be making a different kind of juice for the household. Hopefully some apple, carrot with a little bit of ginger. So it depends on my mood, and it depends on what everybody feels like having. So stock up your household with fresh fruits, vegetables, smoothies, and you will see that everybody in your household will live long and look fresh and stay away from all this achy pain and headache, and everybody will have rebuild of collagen, especially mommy. Mommy needs extra collagen, extra new cell generation, extra energy, extra vibrant skin, extra everything. So guys, thank you for your time, and I will leave a link of these juices at the bottom of this video, at the description box, and in the first description, in the first comment box, so that you can get used to knowing how I make most of my juices. Stay away from all the sugars from the grocery stores and juice your own juice, and also stay away from alcohol if you want to live long, if you want to look fresh, if you want to have wrinkle free. Embrace your homemade juice and make them for yourself and enjoy them. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you will know when I upload a video. Life is good, right? Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. Bye.
Steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make ya look back. Move that, where ya move that? Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you fill up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me ya, say she give me pour me ya. In a ya, say she give me in a ya. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in a the thing so. Girl, for me yard, say me for me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.